so the pelican doesn't get us.
All right, it is December 30th, 2015, Legoland, Florida. We are on the boat. It is a blue boat.
And this is not my first rodeo, so I know how to drive this thing, I think.
Here's me. All right.
I'm trying not to get hit by the pelican.
We do not want to get hit by that pelican.
Taking the outside.
They're looking for a bucket of fish for Rick, because Rick didn't catch any fish.
Manatees, where's the manatees?
We're looking for manatees.
Taking the outside.
Karen's doing very good.
Taking the outside.
We hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas and has a very Happy New Year tomorrow when we leave Florida.
Taking the outside. Pelican will not get me.
Karen passed a 4-year-old girl, but she was polite about it. Alright, Pelican, we're just going to film you. Do not get Karen's
You're not
phone
taking me
wet.
down, Pelican.
Ooh, what's underneath him?
Eat boat,
No,
Pelican.
look at that guy. He's like weird looking. What's wrong with him?
I did not get the pelican.
Yay, Karen. Alright, now we got Pirate Guy.
Sharp rate coming up.
Okay.
He's into this one.
Ooh, who's talking to us? Oh,
I should get like a reward for not hitting anything.
look at the little guy in a tube. There's a scary pirate. Don't hit him, Karen.
I haven't hit anything.
What's his favorite class at school? Good one, Karen. We're looking for a cypress tree because we're in Cypress Gardens. No whale tail on this one. This one doesn't have as many things. It's okay. You're doing very good, Karen.
Oh, sharp.
Ooh, what's that guy doing over there? Welder. Is he trying to dance on the barrel?
We got hand sanitizer.
Yes. Oh, it's mice!
Yeah, but mice with water. Oh, I've been hit.
Where did he come from? Oh my goodness! Oh no!
I've been hit. Sabotage.
Oh, Karen, we don't want mouse fish. No! It's over! Oh, that's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
Oh, you ruined my perfect thing.